Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Cynthia Ozumba and I do all things freelancing. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to access a client's email using the delegation option in Gmail. So this very feature allows you to send and manage emails on their behalf without needing their password. And this is absolutely perfect for virtual assistants who need to stay organized and help their clients manage their inbox efficiently. And do you know why this very method is really a game changer? It is because you'll be eliminating the fear of the client who will be entrusting you with the email. Some clients don't want to give you their password because they fear that you might end up changing their password, and that is detrimental, right? So now with this method, your clients will still have full access to their mail while you can be able to do your perfect email management for them. And also with whatever thing you'll be learning in this video, you'll get to also teach a client when you meet a new client who does not already know how to use this feature in the Gmail. So if you're ready, let's jump right in.
Now we are in our email interface, right? So email delegation actually is like a way to allow someone like a virtual assistant to access your personal Gmail account without having to share your password. So they can be able to send, reply, and manage your emails on your behalf while you focus on more important things, right? So in order for you to achieve this, because I understand a lot of clients are really scared about this aspect of allowing your virtual assistant have your email password. So to get started, we'll go over to setting. Now to see how we can gain access to a client's email, we'll go over to setting. So this is our setting tab here. We'll go over to setting. Go back to setting. You can, if your client doesn't know about this yet, you can ask your client to go. You can ask your client to learn about this, and it's also important as for you as a virtual assistant to know about this. So just in case your client doesn't know how to go about it, you can do a demo video, or you can refer them to my video, of course, and ask them, please, I'd like you to just quickly watch a video like this. Client doesn't know how to do this, jump on a call with them on Google Meet and share your screen, showing them exactly what you'll be learning from this video, right? This is how to achieve this. The client to open their Gmail account and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. This is it. This is where I clicked and we came over to this place. So they should click on add another account. So you go back to accounts and import, add another email account, grant access to your account. You can see what we are arriving at here, right? Grant access to your account, add another account. So this is where allow others to read and send mail on your behalf, right? So this is where you say, yes, and it is going to bring you to this home tab where you verify that you are actually the one who's trying to log in. And having done that, so this is where you input the email you want to add access to Cynthia 09 at gmail.com. Right? So this is the email I want to add. The next thing, click on the next step, and it says you're about to grant Cynthia Ozumba Gmail 09gmail at .com access to your mail. You will be able to revoke this later. In order to complete this process, we need to send Cynthia Ozumba a confirmation email to accept access. After accepting access to your account, they'll be able to open your account, and can access your email using HTTP only, right? So you see send email to grant access. So now I've sent email to Cynthia Ozumba to grant her access, and I'll have to check if I've gotten the notification. Of course, I have gotten the notification. Yes, the notification has come. So what I'm going to do is to go back to my general account here and go to my email box and see this. Okay, so go Gmail team. So this is the email now. This is the email, and it says Cynthia has granted you access to their Gmail account. Accept or deny. So I will go ahead and accept. To accept this request, please click on the link below. So this is where you're going to reject it. Please to reject this request, please click on the mail below. So I want to accept it. Please confirm viewing and sending a message on behalf of Cynthia Digital. Click here to confirm. I've confirmed it. Now I have returned back to my email, right? In order for you to, this is my personal email, right? Now in order for me to be able to gain access or to see the place where the account I've gained access to is listed, I'll have to click on this my photo icon button, and then you see Cynthia Digital Assistant Delegated, right? So once I click on it, it automatically brings me to Cynthia Digital Assistant's email inbox. And so of course you can see what is happening here. You can see what is happening here. So from here you can build labels, you can create new labels, you can create folders for your clients, you can mark, delete, you can send mails. Of course you can send mails. All right, you can send mails, you can do almost everything that you need to do for this your client. You can be able to do professional email management, and this is how it should be done by right.
And so this is why email delegation is very important for virtual assistant, because it helps you take care of your client inbox without any complicated setups or password sharing. It makes communication simple. Plus, you can manage emails from anywhere without worrying about switching between two accounts, right? Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.